Yay guys, so this is my first holiday look and it's Christmas inspired with Christmas colors and all that jazz. So I hope you guys enjoyed and happy holidays. Okay guys, so noise in the background, so I'll be doing a voiceover. I was indicating to you guys that I already did my foundation and I already did my brows, and I do have on clothes, but I was wearing a tube top, so don't be alarmed. Okay guys, so I'm priming my eyes here, and the reason for priming the eyes is so that the color or the eyeshadows can last longer throughout the day, and they can also pop or stay vibrant throughout the day. Next, I'll be applying a brown shadow from the BH Party Girl palette to my crease to define the crease. So yeah, continue doing that and ensure that you blend as you go along. Okay, in this next clip I'll be applying a gray shadow from the BH Party Girl palette to the mobile lid of my eyes, which is the movable area of the eye, and I'm going to keep that below the crease of the eye so it doesn't overlap that previous brown color that we applied. And I'm going to pat this color on so that we get the full intensity of the color. Now I'm going to apply a shimmery silver eyeshadow from the BH Hollywood palette all over that gray color that we applied previously, and to get some intensity from it, I'm going to spray my brush with a little bit of water. Can't talk. Whew. So here I'm lining my eyes with a green pencil, and this pencil is from Clean Color, and this is just to give the look a bit of pop with color. You know, in the holiday season it's generally green and red, so that's what I'm doing. I'm adding a little green to the waterline just to give it that pop. Now I'm taking a green from the same beige Party Girl palette, and I'm going to set the pencil that I applied earlier so that it doesn't move around and it intensifies that color a little bit more. Lining my eyes with my gel liner from Wet n Wild real quick and get back to you. Alright, so I'm going to speed through my highlight and contour and foundation routine because I'll be recording that pretty soon, as the last one that I did I had to take down because of some error or whatever. But yeah, I'm doing my highlight on my contour and all that jazz. So I totally forgot to apply my brow bone highlight, and I'm going to take this taupe color and apply it to my brow bone and blend it down into the brown that we applied in the crease. Like, totally forgot. At this point, I'm setting my foundation so that it can last throughout the day, and I'm also applying it on top of my highlight on my contour so it blends seamlessly. Applying blush to the cheek, and I'm using a corally pink blush, and I'm going to drag that up into the hairline so that it blends with the highlights and the contour and all that jazz. So yeah, now I'm applying a bit of highlights, and I'm using, I think I was using the Elf Artist Face bronzer and blush duo, and it's in St. Lucia, and I really love using this. It gives me such a glow. It is gorgeous. And I'm applying that to my nose so that the nose appears to be a little bit more pointed. And yeah, here I can see I'm feeling myself. Let me keep the camera. Now to the lips, I'm going to line my lips. I don't remember the name of this lip liner, but I'm lining my lip with a dark red, and we're going to do the traditional red lip for the Christmas. So the green and the red, traditional Christmas colors. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm applying the lipstick right now, and for the most part, that's it for the look, guys. Simple and easy, red green for the holiday Christmas season, and I hope you guys enjoy this look. I really enjoyed doing this. I just want to wish all my subscribers a happy holiday, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, whatever it is that you celebrate in this season. Happy holidays to you. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and commenting throughout the year, and I really enjoy making videos, and I want to continue to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you guys.
Anyways, hi guys. Y'all can hear the noise. So